Ugochukwu Esther. In our last video, we treated asusu. And in that video, we explained what asusu is all about. We explained it in Igbo, we explained it in English, and also we looked into the benefits of language in our previous lesson. So today, we are going to learn Orthography Igbo. We are going to learn it, and we are going to understand it. So, because in every language has what? Background. It has beginning. You don't just come up and begin to speak your language. Form. Ndị bakọ isi ọnụ. Wee sị na ọ bụ otu anụ maka ha ga-esi wee na-asụ their language. So likewise to every other country, every country in this world has their roots, has the roots where their language come up. So in today's video, we are going to learn Orthography Igbo. What I mean by that is I want to explain the base. The base otu Igbo anyị na-asụ asụ si wee megene, si wee malite. Kedu ndị mere ka Igbo anụ dị wee dị? Ife mere anyị jikwe wee na-asụ ya. So, we are going to do what? To know what is Orthography Igbo. So yes, let's look into that. Orthography Igbo. In English, the spelling is like this, orthography. But in Igbo, if you want to translate it, if you want to write it in Igbo form, onya mere anyị ji wee sị na anyị ga-amata usoro ọdịdị gịnị asụsụ anyị abụ Igbo. Ile anya ịfụ ka esi wee mee gịnị wee dee orthography a na Igbo. So orthography Igbo bụ nke eji ede okwu n'Igbo na usoro mkpụrụ edemede site na ụkpụrụ eji gịnị ede ya. Tutu wee bido wee debe Igbo language wee sụba Igbo language, enwere ụkpụrụ gịnị, enwere nka, nwere otu esi wee mee gịnị wee mepụta ya, ịhụ na this language called Igbo comes into existence, comes into use. So for every languages, they have roots, they have background, they have standard. Otu esi wee mee gịnị wee bido wee debe ya. Otu a ka ọ dịkwa n'asụsụ anyị a na-akpọ gịnị Igbo. Enwere ụkpụrụ eji eme gịnị ede ya. Ọ bụrụ na iru ha ogo, ọ bụrụ na iji ha ụkpụrụ ahụ eji ede asụsụ Igbo a wee dee ya, ịhụ na mgbe ị desiala ya, onye ọbụla bụ nwa afọ maala otu esi asụ Igbo, ọ ga-adịrị ya very difficult to read what you write. Ọ ya kpatara gịnị eji wee nwee ndị nọkọtara ọnụ wee mee atụmatụ a, usoro, the pattern, the standard, the way ha ga-eji wee na-eme gịnị wee na-asụ asụsụ a na-akpọ gịnị Igbo. Nke anyị bụ ndị afọ Igbo ugbu ọnwa afọ Igbo ugbu a na-eme gịnị na ji gịnị na-asụ ma werekwa ya na-agụghị akwụkwọ. In English, orthography Igbo is the art of writing words with the proper letters according to standard usage. If you don't use that letter otu kwesịrị, ịhụ that na ọ ga-eme gịnị na ọ ga-adachapụ. Dịka na mgbe ị chọrọ ịkpọ okwu ma ọ bụ ide okwu akpọrọ bịa, ọ bụrụ na ideghị bịa, nke a bụ gịnị bịa. Ọ bụrụ na mgbe ị dere Igbodiuto anụnwa n'akwụkwọ, etinyesighị ya akara kwesịrịnụ, edeghị ya n'usoro kwesịrịnụ, onye na-agụ ya agaghị eme gịnị, agaghị aghọta ihe ị na-eme gịnị ị na-akọwa. Ọ bụrụ na ije idebi ya, itinyere ya ntụpa nke a na, ịhụ na mgbe ọ bụrụ na ule ka ị dere ya, onye na-ele gị ule ga-ama gịnị, ga-asị na ị nwetaghị ya, ọ ga-eme gịnị, ọ ga-aba adịrị gị ya, iji gosi na gịnị na ntụpọ kwesịrị ịdị na ya emeghị gịnị, adịghị na ya. Ọ ya kpatara eji wee nwee gịnị wee nwee usoro gịnị wee rọpụta usoro e ga-esi wee mee gịnị wee na-ede Igbo wee na-emekwa gịnị were na-asụ ya. So in so the next thing we will look into now bụ mkpụrụ edemede a. Anyị chọrọ ịma this mkpụrụ edemede a eji eme gịnị, eji were na-ede Igbo a. Mana tupu anyị eme nke a, anyị ga-eme gịnị, anyị ga-amata this orthography we are talking about, this Igbo orthography this Igbo orthography we are talking about. We are going to know which people, which people made easy for us, made this language to come into existence. Ndị mere ka this Igbo ka anyị wee na-use ya nowadays. So we are going to know the standard Igbo we are using now and which people that created it, which people that made this Igbo to come into existence, to be officially used now. Ugbu a ka anyị mata otu this orthography Igbo we are using now come into existence. Ka anyị mata ndị ọ bụ ha wepụtara atụmatụ Igbo anyị ji gịnị ede Igbo ugbu a. Orthography Igbo anyị ji ede ihe n'Igbo ugbu a bụ nke atọ kemgbe e bidoro debe Igbo n'akwụkwọ. Nke mbụ ka a na-akpọ nke ochie, o zughị ezu. Ọ dị sọọsọ 34, that is 36. Nke abụọ bụ nke a na-akpọ nke ịdawọd, o zuru ezu kama ọ dị ọrụ ide ya ọsọ ọsọ, enwekwaghị ike isekọ ya esekọ. Nke anyị ji ede ugbu a bụ nke kọmitii ọnwụ wepụtara, o zuru ezu, dị mma isekọ esekọ. Naanị nsogbu dị na ya bụ ntụpọ, that is in English full stop. Ntụpọ hiri nne, nke mere na a na-echefukarị itinye ha ebe ha tosiri ịdị. So the orthography we are using now to write Igbo language is the one that the committee of a named person called wepụtara. So enweburu orthography Igbo anyị jibu ede Igbo, but enere anyị ọhụrụ that na gịnị, it is incomplete and it is very difficult to do what, to join it with other words. So these people, this committee now came out to do what, to reshuffle it, to make it easier for us in writing Igbo. So they decided to do what, to bring in more words that will help us in writing and speaking this our language. They also not even only bring in more words, but they also introduce more symbols that will make it possible for us to read and to do what, to also to write. Orthography Igbo anyị ji ede ihe n'Igbo ugbu a bụ nke atọ kemgbe ebidoro debe Igbo n'akwụkwọ. That is to say that we have previous orthographies we are using to write Igbo, but since that those ones are incomplete, we now reshuffle it. Those people that it is in their hands in making this language decided to do what, to reshuffle it so that it will be easier for us in writing it. That is to say, that means this our language have been into existence, there has been different patterns we are using to write Igbo. Till the third generation, let me just put it in that way. Yes, till the third people now came out to do what? To change the pattern of writing and reading Igbo language. If you look into my explanation, you will see why they shifted from using those ones. What made them to stop using the previous Igbo orthography we are using and decided to formulate another orthography? So one of the reasons is that old one is what? Is incomplete. They now say it's incomplete. Ozugi is means it is incomplete. It is not complete. If you look at it, it stated that all the source of iri ato na ano, it is only 34 in number. That is all the source of iri ato na ano. It is only 34 incomplete. Do you see it? Then the second one, when we stop using the second one, is that nke abo bo nke ano ana abo nke either word. Yes, that is the second one. The first one, we try to use the first one. It is not good for us. It doesn't suit us. We now change it to the second one, which is called either word. So let's know why they stop it. Ozuru ezu, they said it's complete. Ozuru ezu, it is complete. Kama all the oral ideya also. It is difficult to do what? To write it. It is very what? Difficult in writing it. That is why they now shift from it. It is what? Very difficult to write it. It is not easy. You can't write it fast. It's not easy to write. Then another one. This is another reason why we drop using the second orthography. Because it is not what? It is not easy to do what? To combine it with other words. That is why we stop using the second word, the second orthography Igbo we are using before. Then now let's come into the one we are using now. Nke anyị ji ede ugbu a bụ nke committee on wepụtara. Have you seen that why? Have you seen the reason I told you that the pattern we use in writing Igbo? If you don't know the pattern, you can't write Igbo. You can't change words in Igbo if you don't know it. You see, committee. This is not the English spelling of committee. We try to use our own language, our own writing letter, our own writing symbols to do what? To write it in Igbo. So if you are a good Igbo reader, you will be able to write it in this way. So, nke anyị ji ede ugbu a bụ nke committee on wepụtara. That is the standard, the official Igbo we are using now is the one that is introduced by onward committee. Ozuru ezu. These are the reasons why we are using this very one. Our reason, the first reason is that Ozuru ezu is complete. It is complete. Odemma eseko. It is easy to do what? To join or to combine together with other words. Naanị nsogbu dị na ya bụ everything that has disadvantage has what? Advantage. Everything that has an advantage also has disadvantage. So we now see that the advantages we have in this third orthography we are using is more than the disadvantage. It only has one disadvantage, and that's only disadvantage it has is that naanị nsogbu dị na ya bụ ntụpọ. The only problem in it is what? Dot. The dots. Ntụpọ hiri nne nke mere na a na-echefukarị itinye ha ebe ha tosiri ede. That is, it has a lot of dots. Yes. when we reach to udaume, the vowels, we will know where all these dots fall into, why it is difficult in putting it. So when we reach to that stage, you will see it where this dot is necessary to be put, and you see that it will change the word automatically. So the only problem it has is that it is what? It is very difficult to put the dots where it is necessary, and because of this, we always forget to put it. Maybe you are in a hurry to type pam pam pam, or even you are using laptop or system, you will not have that chance of looking for hand. Maybe where will I get this dot to put in U, in O? Do you get it? So that's why it is what? It is difficult, and that's the disadvantage of that. So now we are going to look into ụda ume mkpụrụ edemede ndị a eji ede ihe a. We are now going to look into mkpụrụ gịnị edemede eji ede Igbo. In English, gịnị bụ mkpụrụ edemede is? What is alphabet? What is alphabet? Hope you get me. What is alphabet? Mkpụrụ edemede bụ ederede eji anọchite mkpụrụ ụda phoneme dịgasị n'asụsụ. Mkpụrụ edemede bụ ederede eji anọchite mkpụrụ ụda phoneme dịgasị n'asụsụ. Ọ bụ mkpụrụ edemede Igbo ka a na-akpọ mkpụrụ abịịdị ma ọ bụ mkpụrụ asụsụ Igbo. Ọ bụ mkpụrụ edemede Igbo ka a na-akpọ mkpụrụ abịịdị ma ọ bụ mkpụrụ asụsụ Igbo. What I mean by that in English is that alphabets are those written words which are used in replacing phoneme in a language. So when we reach to this topic, because you will understand what is phoneme in Igbo language. So we use these letters, this alphabet called A, B, D, Igbo. Eji eme gịnị? Eji anọchitesi anya gịnị? Phoneme, mkpụrụ ụda, the sounds, how those words sounds. Eji anọchitesi gịnị? Mkpụrụ gịnị? Ụda n'asụsụ Igbo. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo dị 36. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo dị 36. We have 36 Igbo words alphabets. It is 36 in number. Likewise, in English alphabet, it is 26. So 10 words differentiate it from that of English alphabet. So in my next video, we are going to write those words. Those mkpụrụ edemede, we are going to write it out. We are going to read. We are going to recite it. We are going to pronounce it. And we are going to use it to make what? Sentences. So in my next video, we are going to treat mkpụrụ edemede. We are going to see it. We are going to write it. We are going to learn it. We are going to learn how to pronounce it and learn how to use those words in writing Igbo. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, share, and comment.